Good morning, brothers and sisters. Today I'd like to teach you about the principle about being optimistic, not pessimistic. Okay? First of all, no one likes hanging around like people that are pessimistic. No one likes playing sports with them. No one likes working with them, much less spending their whole day with them. Like they're always negative. They're always blaming other people for their problems, and they're always just trying to bring other people down with them. And if you hang around people that are always pessimistic, you are going to become a pessimist soon, and no one's going to want to hang out with you. Okay? So I love playing sports, and I've played sports with pessimistic people, and they're always blaming you for missing the ball. They're always blaming you for messing up, and then when they mess up, they don't seem to notice or anything. But if you're optimistic about everything, even in bad situations, your productivity levels go way higher. Your success rate goes way higher. The other day, I went skiing with my family, and on the way back, our car broke down, and so we called AMA, but AMA said that they would take up to 2 hours to come and get us. So instead of me being pessimistic and focusing on the negative and being like, oh, this sucks because I'm stuck in this car and I can't go home and I can't do anything or go anywhere, I was just grateful that we had AMA, and I was just grateful that, yeah, it was a cold night, but it wasn't freezing, and I was grateful that we weren't in the middle of nowhere, and so it wouldn't take them 12 hours to come and get us. And just by doing that, I was a lot more grateful and willing to stay in the car by myself for 2.5 hours waiting for the tow truck to come and get me. So if you can always be optimistic and focus on the positive instead of the negative, you will just have a way better life. Okay, so one thing that I do every night is some people, it's kind of like a gratitude journal. So some people have a gratitude journal, but I don't like writing, and that takes too long, and when I go to bed I want to go to sleep, and I don't want to spend 15 minutes writing my journal. But what I found is if you, every night before I go to bed, I think about my day, and I find 4 things that I was grateful for. It could be there's enough milk for my cereal. I didn't have to do 4 hours of chores, or just anything. Anything you're grateful for, and at least 4 of them. And as you do this over and over and over again, you start to wire your brain to always look on the positive and at the positive and not the negative. And then pretty soon your life gets happier, you're way more productive, and yeah, it's just way cooler.